Difu Treasury Officer Amarendra Sharma aphan Treasury Officer Pupen Kapasang. BJP asong Korkanthi constituency Kaparlu Langlok so Hawaralong Abarin Karbianglong Termas Council Chairman Vidya Singh Tok Bipen BJP MP candidate aphan vote kerekpi. Bodoland Territorial Area District Akehoy Hagrama Mohilari Pen Longkap Purona Kakialong BJP abang Phoparman vote kehang. Kardom ada birta longpen nili birta thanbang sami Monica Milikpi non birtang tonpen arjoitha. Difu Treasury Officer Amarendra Sharma March ending a bill KPG aphan contractor Chokomar Lapen pensioner atumpen arondre tangka kehang thap akoi ke klang ajok Treasury asaipu or pupen kapasang birta jamini phai kresi arni katnu sasa hemalong birta napali.
Difu Treasury Office along March ending a bill ke padam ji aphan pura arondre pentangka kacho en polam ki ke doko kajok Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Mukul Kumar Saikia pen kitardi padoponlo. Lasto api kitardi mate kirika kuruka saiki dengahut. Treasury Officer table adroyer along pensika lak posusi atangka kiring sitame kilong pon ajok Assam Services Discipline Appear Rules 1964 along kido Rule 6(1) aron atengsi Assam Governor alam toipen Treasury Officer Amarendra Sharma aphan apupen ke pasun mate suspension alu nitin khade IAS Commissioner as Secretary to the Gulf of Assam Finance Department ahin pen ke damtang jangni ni final cap ani pangdak ponlo Treasury Officer Amarendra Sharma aphan arpupen ke pasun alo ke pangdak ateng pulote alang liphan noga long si headquarter pathik ponlo lapen agang tu angdeng pen lamtoy avetik ke kapre kadim seterek long lelo pusi birta long dun
Korkanthi constituency Kaparlu Langlokso Gram Kendra local committee atumpen Jangmini Phai Kri Siarni Hansea Rongalong BJP MP candidate Horen Singh Beaphan Abarim Karbianglong Termas Council Chairman Vidya Singh Tok Bipen Bot Kerek Amai Kepa Dopona Birta Pherangke Rustom Tok Bipen Birta Napali. Korkanthi constituency Kaparlu angkang Langlok so Hawar BJP asongpen MP candidate Horen Singh Beaphan vote kerek amai long Abarim Karbianglong Termas Council Chairman Vidya Singh Tok Bipen si patirpi ponlo. Kebangji jangmi poni phai kresiarni kiligalong BJP MP candidate Horen Singh Beaphan ong dunga vote pen koson si kapahaijima lahayaput Karbianglong Termas Council Chairman Barin Tok Bia Sangho pen thanmum tekan lapen lasolong penangan BJP MP candidate Horen Singh Beaphan ningkache theatum chetong dununti. Kokrajar pen Bodoland Territorial Area District Akehoy Hagrama Mohilari Hojai District along Nangsunsi BJP abang phua pharman vote ke hang padodam pusinili tuma pherangke Kadnews along Birdan Pali.
Kokrajar pen Bodoland Territorial Autonomous Council Achieve Hagrama Mohilari Karbianglong Nangsunsi Jangmikrei si ani langhin along BJP pen kiliki through Horen Singh Beaphan vote ke hang pado. Alang li vote ke hang alam je along Congress aphan arboxi Karbianglong kaching through RJ larji lapen langji pulote BJP aphan si pehai nangji pusi BT edia ke hoy Mohilari ningje Karbianglong lapen di mahasau ching through o nang lang puta alang li ningje dam thu
Difu kotai ho ba haplongor kotai ho NCHO homostito etai jitu Difu homosti di mahasau Karbianglong Unit itu otomatis itu kota khusus. Masalah itu paho kami sanu.
Andolan kuya isu long standing demand. Karbianglong demand so bhator hongbidanot, he hongbidanot thaka bikur 244 itu, he hongesa हमरा koribo lage. Narendra Modi dole koise. Apnar ko hongesa alam alosona kori electionor pisot
Karbianglong Autonomous Council CM tuliram rong hang lapen EM MSC atumta vote ke hang amay along chetong dun.
Itu boleh utama. Kalau kami koyasi indirectly kami BTC itu kami direct warnai, directly warnai. Itu indirect kami Karbianglong di mahasiswa itu otomatis itu kami itu diklaim. Ini kota itu berkuasa.
Karena apa nih kihor bukti itu kok bisa di kajian
bukti no bukti nggak lagi itu pablo lagi apa tuh jadi apa আৰু সেইটো পাব সংবিধান আছে আৰু 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 একটা কথা স্পেচিয়েলি আপাততো ছিক্স শিডিউলৰ কাৰণে এই কেন্দ্ৰীয় যিটো আঁচনি যেনিবা 1 তোলা সোণা 1 টাকা চাউল সেইবিলাক মানে 1 তোলা সোণাটো ছিক্স শিডিউলৰ কাৰণে 2 তোলা বনাব আৰু চাউলটো 1 টাকা হ'ব নালাগে 50 পইচা হ'ব লাগে মই এইটো যিমান দিন যেতিয়া পৰা
আৰু 2 বছৰ ভিতৰত আপুনি পোৱাটো কৈছিল যে 6
বছৰ নালাগে ৰে আপোনালোকে কি ভাবে 2 বছৰ নালাগে চাইটা কোৱা আমি দেখাই দিম
আমাৰ ডাঙৰীয়া চিফ তেখেতে যিটো সমৰ্থন কৰিছে ভাৰতৰ সংবিধানৰ সংজ্ঞাপত্ৰ আৰু যিটো অট'নমাছ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট সেইবিলাকৰ অট'নমাছ কেন্দ্ৰ চৰকাৰে চিন্তা চৰ্চা আলাপ আলোচনা মাজতে সেই অৱস্থাটো আমি নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াও লগ কৰি আহিছোঁ তেওঁ গোটেইখিনি চালি জাৰি কৰি আপোনালোকক মাতি সেই গোটেইখিনি সমস্যাটো মানে কিন্তু ভাৰতৰ সংবিধান আৰ্টিকেল 244 সংবিধানত থকা বস্তু কনষ্টিটিউশ্যনত থকা বস্তু আমি বনা নাই কনষ্টিটিউশ্যন
Non molom so poroban birdamo inton poniksina.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nangina chusir ham tamle ingisu.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, non alom kar beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma konat lo lake.
Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adung rong supi along ke cengsi sopin so lapen so arlo dung kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma
Kalang lo, ke cengsi sopin so lapen so arlo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikji. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongharpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong napadar ipin benang humrig no.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang itum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason lapen thesire alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang Theso alang, kecho ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
I've been a voter for the last 11 years. I've always wondered
if my vote counts or if the machine has recorded what I've pressed.
I've always thought, what if there's a verification system
which provides proof that I've voted for the candidate
and the party of my choice. Introducing a system that can assure you. The voter verifiable paper audit trail or VVPAT is one answer to all my questions. This is one independent system attached to the electronic voting machines that allows the electors to verify that their votes are cast as intended. How to cast your vote using the EVM and VVPAT. Step 1. Enter the booth. The presiding officer will enable the ballot unit while you enter the voting compartment. Watch out for the green light on the EVM indicating the machine is ready. Step 2. Cast your vote. Press the blue button on the ballot unit against the name or symbol of the candidate of your choice. Step 3. See the red light. The red light against the name or symbol of the candidate chosen will glow. Step 4. See the print. Look for the transparent window of the VVPAT. Look for the printed paper slip showing the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate of your choice. The slip remains exposed for 7 seconds, then it gets cut and falls in the drop box of the VVPAT. VVPAT, the revolution in the electoral world. As a citizen of this country, I know what and who I voted. I experience trust, transparency and fairness. It's about verification and voters' satisfaction. Do not leave the polling station without looking at the VVPAT. This is a good thing.
If your name is not in the electoral roll and you have completed 18 years of age as on 1st January 2019, then contact the BLO of your polling station to enroll your name and establish your democratic right to vote in ensuing Lok Sabha election 2019.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 am to 1 pm. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Nilingkan kray silo vote ke joktang. Nilikai ta mathada.
Niliki piagot lakha pondoma. Kalite nilike berate mission along klang pameloma.
Nilikai ta mathada ke joka tengpen ke patini avar sai doma.
Ningke hanga bang phophat ke joka vote lo dam lo puang thai doma. Ningke hanga party aphan.
Kachiki klong isia kimia dichi. Vote ke jok ang thek kot pen ke patini un adichi VVPAT henlo. Nilining dorik ason anthir thipen kang sai un adichi. Lake isi salajong pen karjab adichi lo. Lapen EVM along Cerap lok ahor mulo. EVM la pen VVPAT pen nang liko son si vote jok po. Keng kamisi polling booth ar lokilut. Vote ke jok ahem ar lokilut dam pen presiding officer si ballot unit pe karpo. Keng kam hini vote jok milo. Ballot unit along akilir abatan along ning ke hanga bang puamen mate ang tek pen pachiton ra ber ignon. Keng kam ke thom ake era tur klang loma. Ning ke hanga bang puamen adung ake era tur klang po. Keng kampli kang chap alu klang luma. VVPAT along ke klang kang chap alu apai lang ignoi. Haladak nang lining ke hanga bang puamen mate ang tek klang luma. Labang su kang chap alu achet second troxian si klang chonji. La so apilo te amina chi thui pen che beng pet si isi yang deng along che thap dam thot po. VVPAT ke isi aki mi che thang klong adi chilo. Nili inut det pia mekar la pen nili che chini. Komata phansi vote ke jok vek ma la pen. Nili theklong lo kopima ning ke the klardak chengbar kri ke jokvek avot ning ke hang abang phua phan lelu pu ke patini pen ning che pang samjin na phan lo lasi vote ke joka hemar lo pen bar be aprang e phong VVPAT along patini te kang tha laki ke mesen alam lo jongsi electoral voter list along nang limem thap thelan puluti la pen nang li jongsi arkoi niphai isi inkoira sirkep an nang li arta Ningkan krenar kep choklo puluti polling station abial o aphan nang limen che thap dun pen democratic araida te non ke nang leji Lok Sabha election in koira sir kep aput vote chok dun ignon
Dihina mo phiputhot birtalong wang thuiklong Karbiang Autonomous Council Barim Rotoning ti amethanga hemalong jangmini phai Chris Yarni Pherangke amai phasi BJP asong pen ka chiwalam the rat ang no chapaklang pon birta Pherangke pen birta na pale
Karbiang Autonomous Council along MSC do an pen alangli henlo BJP asong along kiduncheng chitame nonapor kopisi BJP asong pen chi odu nangkok malake BJP asong atum kemathai ison lapen ki claim ison titi pusi Pherangke amai along akoi pipon Nonta BJP East Karbi Anglong District Committee amai pu ratan teron lapen BJP West Karbi Anglong District Committee amai phu arun terang atum pasan chom dak ason si theklong lo lapen BJP asong atum ke claim akaprek lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along kachari atum ke claim akaprek asapta kacheton avi pusi akwai pipon non apor India det ni hang ni rep ahawar angkang pi along citizenship amendment bills alam pen hul chodut apita BJP asong atum election manifesto along kep aput hak jong pon lilo lapen GST sitami kepadokok ajok chojor cholang ke claim atum ta akile kasik sak chitong nang lupusi akwai pipon em barim roton ingti non amat madu arachari asong along ta ki dunjia phan matha thelang puta phirang ke amai along ningje
media friends who has taken all the trouble to be present at this movement as per my request and my invitation. সকলো press media সকলক ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ আপোনালোকক অনুৰোধ মতে আপোনালোকে অহাৰ কাৰণে It is very unfortunate for me that finally being the only person when I was an elected MEC to join in BJP and now again to resign from this party because of many circumstances, and today BJP as per the party commitment in 2014 has not been able to fulfill the promises that have been made. So I will read out the resignation letter that I have already written. To Sri Ratan Teron, President BJP East Karbi Anglong District, Full Karbi Anglong. Regarding resignation from the BJP party is the subject. Sir, in inviting reference to the subject cited above, I would like to draw your kind attention that I had joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in the year 2015. As an elected MEC, I was the first person to join in this party, with the anticipation that the party under the leadership of Sri Narendra Modi will bring about a radical change to the nation of India and the Northeast, and in particular to the district of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. The hope I had on the party has believed my hope not only over the slogan and achievement in terms of development and progress, insensitive to the distress of the farmers, mostly policies of the rich, which the poorest of the poor were ignored. Policies supposedly for the poor are either done for display or just for political expediencies. While all of the above are being executed clandestinely or overtly to the horror of millions and millions of Indian, the party would stoop to write every textbook that made India as a Hindu Rashtra. Finally, I am deeply appalled by the ingrained communal agenda of the RSS and the BJP, which remain as the two sides of the same coin. In view of all the above and dozen other issues, the BJP party did not reflect itself nor sign out as the torchbearer for many towards a strong modern India.
Ada birda bangkela pon sing ton poniglo domet hame kurwang thu.